Hello friends, welcome back to Friend of Health. So today I'm here to review a book on repertory. So most of you might have come across this book or heard about this book from various YouTube channels or social media platforms, and this is the latest work on repertory subject. And I would say this was one of our dream, like me and my senior, one who completed his MD from Government Homeopathy College of Kerala. We had a chance to visit a famous homeopath's clinic like during its renovation, and there were a lot of collection of homeopathy books which his grandfather had, and his father also purchased from various countries and collected. So while seeing that, my senior, who was very much interested in repertory, he told me, even though we have Shashikant Tiwari sir's Essentials of Repertorization book, one more book is needed where all the small repertories or regional repertories are visited directly from that same source book and made elaborately details about that. One such guide or one such book about repertory is needed, and we should work on that, like that he was saying me. Even though we couldn't do that work due to various reasons, we are very happy that we have a book like that now. So that is Repertory Expert, which is in my hand now. So I am going to speak about this book, which is a very useful book. I won't say it is useful only for undergraduates or postgraduate students or for PG entrance exam or UPSC or PSC exam preparation aspirants, but also this book is equally useful for practitioners. So my word is about this book is undergraduate students or postgraduate students or PG or other exam aspirants plus practitioners can make use of this book to become a repertory expert. So the title of the book is Repertory Expert, a new experience on understanding repertories. So it is one of the latest work, or this is one of the most detailed book on the subject of repertory. Authors are Dr. Shanu Salim, Dr. Jinudi, and Dr. Genesis. So and edited by Dr. V. Sadish Kumar sir of Sharda Krishna Homeopathic Medical College. So this work I believe they have done after a lot of hard work during their postgraduate course, and through the discussions, through the a lot of research work in the library in the field of repertory. And in the beginning of the book itself, we can see a note of appreciation by Dr. Mansoor Ali Kayar, Chief Editor of Homeobook.com and Professor of Department of Repertory of Government Homeopathy Medical College of Kerala. And this book is appreciated very much by a very good repertorian like Dr. Mansoor Ali sir. And one more thing regarding competitive exams preparation, Mansoor Ali sir always in his classes and his videos used to tell, like the money we invest for competitive exam preparation, may it be PSC or UPSC or any AAPGT, the money we invest will come back in the first stipend or first salary itself. So don't think about the money or any books, not only this book, any books while you prepare. And this book for competitive exam preparation, definitely I'll recommend this book. You must have this book so that repertory you won't miss any marks. And from the note of appreciation of Dr. Mansoor Ali sir, we can very nicely he has gone through the book, and he is appreciating the book, like this book reviews more than 84 repertories then from the original manuscripts itself, and one chapter, how to select the rubrics, that is his favorite chapter. And even I felt one of the very interesting chapter in this book, how to select the rubrics, and it will help newcomers and practitioners. And also this book regarding the computer repertories, it is in detail it is told. So all these things in note of appreciation itself sir is saying. I'm just going through the pages. I will tell you, I will show you the pages if possible, the books. And Dr. Ishwar Das, Professor Dr. Ishwar Das, MD, he has given the foreword of this book, and in that also he has very beautifully he has given his writing. And in the preface they have mentioned about all their hard works and their gratitudes and all. So the contents of the book, you can see like contents of the book like goes from part 1 and part 2, and part 1 is introduction mainly. So introduction regarding the repertory subject and the basics of the repertory, definitions, all those things, and repertorization, one chapter is there. In that the sub-chapters like steps of repertorization, methods of repertorization, techniques of repertorization, and process of repertorization. Each and everything a practitioner or a student or a postgraduate student of repertory can very well understand from this book in detailed way. And also for PG entrance examination, AIA PGT, this will be a very useful work, so that all the MCQs, if you see the previous question papers, this book covers all of them. And if you have a very good concept from this book, repertory 100% you can answer, that is sure. And other chapters like working with rubrics, in that one chapter is there, how to select the rubric. You can see on the screen how to select the rubrics chapter contains very elaborate way, very beautifully this chapter has written. My favorite chapter it is. And case taking, one very elaborate major share of the book or many pages are dedicated for case taking aspect, and views of stalwarts beginning from Hahnemann till William Borick, a lot of chords or concept of regarding case taking. We know a well taken case is half cured. Like that, if you know the views of stalwarts regarding the case taking, which are aspects we have to focus, everything is mentioned in this. And also different types of case taking, one of the beautiful chapter which no other book I believe is having. So here we can see different types of cases and case taking, acute cases, chronic cases, artificial chronic cases, and also local maladies. All the classification of disease by Hahnemann and the stalwarts, how to deal with such cases, it is mentioned. And also like one very beautiful, useful, practical chapters are like different specialities and case taking, like pediatrics, female case taking, geriatric case taking, coma cases. So how to deal with them, not only general instructions, also they have given a proper schema which to be followed, or a model of the case. So we can follow that. Students, when they go for their practical exams, they can use this schema. And also many students will be having confusions regarding various totalities by different stalwarts. So that is also dealt in detail, like all these things like case processing, analysis and evaluation, totality of symptoms, and also concept of totality are going to different authors like Hahnemann's totality, Bonninghausen's, Kent, Boger, Stuart Close. So that also is there. And symptomatology, one of the favorite area of entrance examiners. They will make questions regarding different like negative symptom with examples. So that kind of questions used to come in also in repertory also and in organ also. So that area is also elaborately given. And one of the useful chapter, body language and homeopathy. So that is not there in any other book of repertory, and this book contains that chapter also, one of the beautiful chapter, body language and homeopathy. And life history of masters like Hahnemann, Bonninghausen, Kent and Boger is also given, life history. And the part 2 contains repertory. So repertory, basic repertory is the chronology of some important repertories and clinical repertories, also clinical repertory based on the parts, based on the conditions, like that they have classified. So each repertory, regional repertory is also based on parts or based on condition, or the clinical repertories, each and every repertory with a proper schema, I will say systematically they have arranged. So everywhere they have followed a pattern, like the full name of the repertory and all the details, the year of publication, in a entrance point of view, and also in a student point of view, descriptive exams, short notes they have given. So this is a worthy book where you can refer all these things. And also the repertories of fever, repertories of sensation, as if they have given every detail. That also from source book, they are claiming that they have visited the source book. We can see that much detail, this much detail of short repertories or clinical repertories, regional repertories, you cannot see in any book. The special repertories, modern repertories, and one more part, computer repertories. So computer repertories, beautifully they have given each and every repertories, utilities, all the options and how to use them. So that is useful for practitioners as well, like students, and some other repertories also. And in the miscellaneous part, the part 3 of this book, something like basics of repertory, anamnesis and constitution, diathesis, EET, like essential evolutionary totality, then Hahnemannian classification of diseases, and some like topics like miasm, temperament. So one of the very useful part of this book is repertory at a glance. So all these things, whatever they have given in detail, in column wise they have given, like you can see the name of the repertory, year of publication, author, edition, number of remedy, and typography. So these things are the commonest questions they ask, and also in the like elaborate description of basic repertories like BTPB and KEND, they have given all the rubrics. So that will definitely help the students who are going to prepare for the entrance examination. So this book is recommended for students of homeopathy, especially final year students who are studying repertory subject for their university exams, and also for interns who are preparing for PG entrance, AEA PGT, and also for doctors who are practicing and parallelly they are preparing for exams like UPSC or the state PSC exams, and definitely for postgraduate students of repertory and students or PGs who are wishing to become teachers in the field of repertory and going to appear lecturer post exams in repertory. Definitely this book is a must have, and also practitioners who want to become experts in the subject of repertory and repertorization, so that their practice will improve. They also can buy this book. Details of the book, how to purchase them, it will be there in the comment section, and any details, any other doubts about the book, if you have, you can post in the comment section. We will be answering that, or the authors of the book will definitely answer the queries. So all the best wishes for all of you. Bye.